Yep, there he is. He has auto racks on him today. We might have another northbound. Oh, he's going on siding. He's going on siding. Alright, CN L507. He's going on the siding, so we'll see what he's doing. Let's see if there's one sitting down there. What is that noise I'm hearing? There's probably one sitting down there. Either that, yeah, he's going on the siding. So he's going on the spur track, which is making me think that there's another. Oh, yep, I think I might be right. I don't know. He's on the siding for some reason. But we don't know if there's another one. We'll see when he comes. All right, another blinking yellow signal. Well, it was a green. And now we got another blinking yellow for another northbound. But I have no idea what symbol this is, but we'll see what this is.
Detector, mile 39.6. Northbound, no defects. Temperature 59F. Total axles 294. Speed 33. Detector out.
Do Eddie get a shot? Get outside. Oh, there he is. There he is.
There's the bad boy.
There's the train.
He got the bad boy.
Here we go. Alright, signal changed. Again. My third time seeing the signal. A blinking yellow over green again. Advanced approach medium. This is CN A484. As y'all can see, that signal is a solid yellow over green. Alright. Let's get started. Alright, the axles are supposed to be 290.
So the defect detector messed it up.
IC-1017, I copy, over.
Yeah, I messed it up. The defect detector messed it up.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah, he's coming.
IC-1017, over.
You filming?
Gotta pause it.
Yep, okay, departure location, north, over.
Eddie, film it, film. Start filming.
IC-1017, did you copy, over?
Alright, CN A484. This might be my last train, but I don't know. If another one comes, I will come back. Alright, surprise NS train. This is NS 253, I think. So here we go.
I can hear him.
The kids are back on the tracks again. Third day in a row.
I can hear him, but I don't see him.
He activated Mill Street.
By the way, guys, those kids were here late, by the way.
This is my last train. This is NS 253.
Yeah, I see him. Second track. He's on the second track.
NS 253.
He has a Death Star on him.
No, it's not a Death Star. That's an NS.
I don't know. This one's going fast. That one's going fast. Okay, we definitely have to put on the detector. No, wait, we can't put on the detector. Wait, we can't put on the detector, right? You can't? You can't put on the detector?
I did the detector. I will.
How fast is he going though? It's a question.
I don't know.
Probably going about to 30 or 40 miles per hour. But yeah, listen, yeah, he is going pretty fast. So probably around mid 40s, I think.
Either 38 or 40. 40.
I never seen a train going this fast on Monday.
Oh, here comes the end.
Yeah, that thing is going pretty fast. Yeah, that's got to be like around 40 miles per hour. That was quick. Well, he was fast.
Alright, NS 253. Let's cue the defect detector. Give this train some time, do not worry. Do not worry, give this train some time.
Act 1, no defects.
Just the part. Just letting you all know that's just a part of it.
Over.
It's gonna say the whole thing of it, so give him a minute.
253.